Welcome to the KORTE.design configurator, the place where you can design your own bathroom vanity. Let's take a quick look at how simple it is to adjust key features. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds for the configurator to generate the new image after each change. It's still much faster than waiting for a designer's response. Every option comes with a helpful tooltip that explains exactly what it does and how it affects your design. One of the most exciting features is augmented reality. By clicking this button, you'll receive a QR code. Open it with your smartphone, and you can place your design directly into your real bathroom. You can also toggle dimensions on or off in the preview, perfect for precise planning or for a cleaner look without measurements. This was just the introduction video. Below, you'll find our full tutorial series, where we go through each feature of the configurator in detail.